just picked up the new Milwaukee Packout XL, X large toolbox. It's very comparable to the wheeled ones from the Packout, but it doesn't have this hardware and the wheels and stuff on it. It's just a regular case. Clips into everything else. Standard tie downs. No handle on top though, like this one. So it doesn't have that top handle. Probably once it's loaded up, you'd rip the damn thing off anyways. But it's got the side handles, the tie downs. I guess it comes with one of these. Very comparable to this one, a little bit higher. But I guess there's a bit of an indentation there where the wheels are in this big one. So it gives you a bit more room on the side. Other than that, it looks the same. There are also slots front and back, side and side, so I imagine you could put a divider in here. It must come with something like that. There must be an option to get one. I didn't look when I was there. Never thought of it. But that's going to be replacing this little one here. There, so there's a lot more room in this one. And a little bit of extra room there for some plugs and stuff I'll pick up next week. One difference between the XL and the wheeled cart is when you go to open the lid, this one sits flush up against the wall. This one's out a bit because of all this hardware. So you can flip this lid right up, whereas this one, as you flip it, it needs a bit of extra room. It pushes away. Also, it doesn't hold itself up. So I kind of don't like that, actually. So I've placed these 4x6 blocks, one on top of each other behind the crate. With those blocks in place, I've got it strapped in. And that allows for full extension. Lid stays up, which is handy. And when the second box is on, you can still access everything from in this box. So I like this now that I have it set up with that block, keeping it about 3.5 inches away from the trailer wall. So that's going to be really handy here in this stack.